This is Team 6. We're meeting on Thursday this week to work on the team quiz for Lesson 8. Okay. So, which of the following is not a valid Scrum rule? No one can provide advice, instructions, commentary, or direction during the team sprint. The team is utterly self-managing. I'm pretty sure that's it. I'll read through the rest of them, but...
But what about the second one?
That's definitely it. Let me finish reading through them, but yeah. The team is allowed to seek advice, outside advice. That's a valid, that's a valid Scrum rule. But saying that they can't get any outside advice, that is...
Well, we post it so other people...
advice all the time.
Yeah.
Okay, 8 is. What do you think, Dan?
On the first one?
Huh?
What did you say?
Well, what do you think about number 1?
Completely agree.
Okay, yes. Me too.
2. In what way is the PM Agile and Professional Scrum Master certifications different? I do not know this answer, but I will find out.
Yeah, I'm Googling it right now, but I didn't read anything about this. Was this in the topics? I don't remember reading... No, it's not in the topics.
Oh no, I saw it.
It would be easier if there was a book that was like about what we were testing on.
How do you spell your name, Ross? So R-O-S-S...
R-O-U.
R-O-U...
S-S-E-L-I-N-E.
And then your last name?
Salter. S-A-L-T-E-R.
Okay, thanks. Oh, and it's down here?
Yeah,
Yep.
Dan is here.
Dan Abbott?
Yes.
Correct.
Is there 2 T's or 1 T?
Just one.
Okay.
PMI Agile or PMI Scrum?
I'm finding a lot of information, but there's a lot of weird, like the things I'm trying to make sure were 3 years experience. Okay, so someone look at the answers. So, Certified Scrum Master is a 2-day class, no experience required.
Which one is that? PMI?
That's PSM, Certified Scrum Master.
Okay. So I don't think that one's it. Oh, wait.
I think it is different because it's supposed to be, there's no experience, but we need to probably double check another source on that. So go ahead and check D, and we'll double check that one. Um, Scrum Master requires a certified trainer. So check C, and again, we need to verify that with a different source because it could just be the source I'm at.
Where are you at right now?
What?
What source are you looking at right now?
Whitewater Projects?
Okay.
The first
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, this says no experience required. 2-day Scrum Master.
Yeah, no experience required. Let's try a different one. Yeah, I'm on Solutions IQ. It says CSN 2-day class. Is that what the other one say?
Yeah, this one said it's a 2-day class with no experience needed, I think.
So what we
Or
need to
is
find
that-
out is if PMI Agile requires 2-week boot camp training. Just to make sure.
We can't
See.
train.
I'll look that up.
21 hours of training.
Yeah, maybe taught by anyone.
I was thinking about PMI.
Yeah, I'm reading that PMI requires 21 hours.
Yes, that's what I got too. I am on Solutions.
Are you guys using the PM book?
You're the do you have that one up? I didn't even think to pull it up. I can pull it up though.
No, I'm just wondering what books you guys are using.
Oh, I'm just using whitewaterprojects.com.
I'm at the PMI website right now. My book has almost no useful information in it, so I'm looking. They actually have the courses listed here, so I'm looking like the certifications on their website listed. So okay, so for the PMI Agile certification, it's 120 multiple choice questions.
This one says it's 70.
Okay, so I would uncheck that one, and if we get it wrong, we should challenge it and say their website says it's 120 questions, because there is a chance that they've changed it, because I saw some things that it sounds like they might have redeveloped it recently.
Okay.
Yeah.
But their website says we're going to list that source in our document in case anyone decides they need to challenge that.
What does yours say, Michaela?
What was that?
How many days did yours say?
Mine said, oh, I went to a different site. Let me go back. I don't know if it ever said how many days.
Dan, can you
This
look
one says
into
a
can you
2-day
look into
Scrum.
Egress, please?
And what?
This one said it's a
What?
2-day Scrum one, and over 2,000 hours project experience.
Dan, I'm wondering if you could look
Or-
into E since we're kind of working on the first 4.
Yeah.
Have you found anything in the book, Brandon?
Nope.
So I would check B. I don't know, because if 20 hours, that's not 2 weeks, but
That's like 2 days.
yeah.
Unless you do like 1 hour a day.
Yeah, and a boot camp is usually like, very focused.
Mm-hmm.
I would say number 1 is true too.
That's what I was thinking.
Yep. From what I've understood here, yeah, the professional Scrum Master is usually very directed within Scrum. Like that's why he's a Scrum Master. He's not over anything. Whereas the PMI Agile, it can be over multiple technologies, or not technologies, but multiple methods within.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So we threw out. What about E?
I've not found anything on that yet.
I feel like everything I've seen is pretty software oriented, but I don't know.
So are we saying that D is right?
Yes, it is a way that those two are different.
Well, it says no experience required for CSM.
So I'm pretty sure E is false. On this website, it just says basically anyone interested in project management at a company that uses Scrum, the Agile would be beneficial, not just for software development.
Okay.
Can you save the link for that, Dan, and copy and paste it?
Yeah.
For challenging. Do you know what I mean? If you go to the group document, the Google Doc, and scroll down past the assignments box, I have a place where I put in the challenge links.
Okay.
Where's that at?
I'll show you. Hold on, let me show my screen. Where's my screen share? There it is.
In our Google Docs?
This is like the links that prove the ones that we did wrong. That way we can, back them up if we need to challenge our answers. So just...
Wait, where is this at? Is this in second term?
Yeah, in second term, in here, in this guy.
Oh, in our main one. I was like, where the heck is that?
Yeah, it's too lazy to make a whole new Google Doc.
Okay, can I do something? Can I put the bottom in a new tab? Because that would be really confusing. I would forget.
Sure, that's probably a better way to do it. Anyway, so.
I was just like, I looked for it for like 5 minutes. I was like, oh, I don't know where that is. Well, not 5 minutes, but that's exaggeration.
Alright, so you're going to move that over then?
Yeah, I already did. I'll move it right now.
Alright, then Daniel, stick your new one in there for us. The link you found.
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, what does not belong to cornerstones of the Agile Manifesto? Oh, let me pull that up. Another fancy little website. Someone's so dorky. I can't believe they got like their little agilemanifesto.org. It's so cute. Nerds are so cute. Okay, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. I think that is individuals and interactions over processes and tools. Oh, here are the four, ready? Here are the four cornerstones. Individuals and interactions over processes and tools. So that is, don't check them because that is.
Oh.
We're looking for the one that's not. Working software over comprehensive documentation.
Okay.
Customer collaboration over contract negotiation, and responding to change over following plan.
The last one.
So
Nope, process over people. And then I think it's this one.
I agree with that one. I already know that one's an
Later.
answer for sure.
Okay.
I put all my chips on the table.
All right. Alistair Cockburn, which of the following are keys to an effective burn down chart?
So where do we put our leg stuff?
If you go to our main, I'll share my screen again. So this is, Ruslan, this is the document that we're in. Hold on just a second. See here? We
Okay.
go to the bottom down here, there's a challenge tab.
Okay. Got it. Thanks.
That way we can just, you know.
Yeah, I wanna put some legs.
I actually do that as I take tests if I use sources. I try to save them. Because you always need them.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, according to Alistair Cockburn. Okay. I'm not familiar with that name.
Let's come back to 6. 7's right, though.
But it's also customer representative. I'm not finding that as a Scrum rule. And it says choose all that apply, but I can only click one.
So then
So,
I'll just make a note of that in the document.
okay.
I'll just say, hey, we can't. So that's number 7. Let me copy the question down really quick first. Just which of the following are not Scrum? And so, does everyone agree that both task manager and customer representative, because customers should be interacting directly, there shouldn't be a representative.
Yeah.
Anyone disagree with that?
In a real world environment, that's not true.
Yeah.
I would say a customer representative.
Wait, a customer representative is not a Scrum role or is a Scrum role?
Is a Scrum role.
All right, so task manager is the false one either way.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree. Go on. Okay, burn down church.
Let's go on to number 8. You guys go on to number 8. I'm trying to look through some of the resources he gave us. I think there was a specific article that one's referring to. That's what I'm trying to find.
Did you find it?
Oh, can someone Google the 3? There's 3 questions you're supposed to ask in every meeting. Here, I'll do it. Never mind. Sorry.
It's what did you do, what are you going to do, and what obstacles do you have?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, Dan.
It's like the one thing I
Dan the
remember.
man.
So, not entirely sure which one of those is specific to quality assurance. But
Man, why is English so complicated?
Click on question.
I would say B.
It's a hard one.
Because from my definition that I found, quality assurance is the maintenance of a desired level of quality in a service or product, especially by means of attention to every stage of the process of delivery or production. Oh, goodbye. You left us. Sorry, guys. I would say that one because one, the other answers look retarded. And two, it just makes sense that you ask someone, that's how you check the quality. Are you on schedule? Well, if you're on schedule, then we know we're going to get the quality we need. But let's look at the other answers real quick. You guys, this is my lunch.
Oh my gosh. What on earth? How do you even... I mean, what do you do all day, Brandon? You go to school and then you go to work and then...
Do it over.
You go home and kiss your sleeping wife and go to sleep? Like...
Tuesdays and Thursdays. That's all I do. Weekends are like my playtime. That's why I can't wait for this 5 weeks. Oh, hey, welcome back.
Sorry, my internet, I guess, decided to just go out.
You know what my mom says?
What?
Excuses are like armpits. We all have them. They stink. Just kidding.
No, we're glad you're back.
Let me go back to screen sharing. However I do that. Okay.
So, while I think your answer is valid, Brandon, it's not actually one of the 3 given stand-up questions, you know what I mean?
Correct.
So that's what makes me question, like, if that's the best answer.
I second that concern.
But the problem is
That
the
was a
3
good
questions, what did you do yesterday, what will you do today, and are there any impediments in your way? What's impeding your progress? Because that's a daily question. But I guess, like, as far as quality control, like, if I have a problem, if there's a group working on it, they can help me manage it better. I don't know.
Huh. Now you guys have me thinking, because I'm never going to do a stand-up meeting. Well, what is impeding your progress?
Yeah, I think that's one that probably jumps out at me is what's impeding your progress, but I don't really like any of them.
See, I would go D, but that's just me.
Well, if we can just find one source that kind of alludes to any one of those answers, then we can just back it up. And
I'm trying to look through a couple of different ones, but most of them don't like go into depth on the questions.
I literally should just have our project manager just review these with us for just the heck of it, just to see what he thinks. He'll be here tonight if you guys want to stay on till 11.
Maybe he's on? 11?
Oh, 10.
Sorry, what?
He's on till 11?
No, he'll be here at 11.
Oh, I see. Why do you guys work? Why does he work so late? Good heavens.
Well, he works late tonight because there's a huge new software being pushed at 12 o'clock, so he has to be here.
Well,
To all the hospitals in Utah.
what do you work at? Where do you work again?
Intermountain Healthcare.
That's where that's not where I delivered my baby, but that's the system I delivered my baby in. Not that anyone cares.
Just kidding.
Yeah, I'm like, I don't know. I'm tired.
Oh,
Gosh, everyone lists the questions, but no one talks about them. Like, this is very frustrating.
wait, what?
I'm trying to go through the questions and see if I can find a source.
The following questions accomplishes quality assurance. Quality assurance is making sure that your product is... We could send this meeting as evidence, but quality assurance, from what I've understood, is making sure that the project has quality in it. That's not just thrown together, right?
Right.
So, to me, I would say D, because what we do between now and the next daily scrum, that way we know what's being done, so that then we can see, okay, what was impeding you. But then, yeah, it leads over to what is impeding.
Right.
Bummer, bummer, bummer.
Sorry. Internet connection.
Oh, me too. Let me do it. Just kidding. All right. I know it's not A.
So I found a thing. I know he says that sources shouldn't be like blog posts or something like that, but this guy who posted this blog is the author of a book about Scrum fundamentals. And he says there's 4 tips for integrating quality assurance with Scrum. Tip number 2 is find and remove impediments to adopting agile values before modifying your process. And then one example he gives is if the Scrum team says we need to go to 3-week sprints, he says why, and then they say quality assurance doesn't have enough time to test all the stories. And so, I mean, that's about related to getting things done, but also the impediments. I don't know.
Well, that's good enough for me, but let's make sure you list that in a link in our. So, I say C then. What do you think, you guys?
Go with it.
Under C or D. C. Okay.
I'm pretty sure the answer to this one is Kanban boards, because when you're doing Scrum, you use a Scrum board, not a Kanban board. Kanban, Kanban, I don't know, whoever you ask how you say it. And I haven't heard anything
I've seen
about
stuff about this one and that one. I haven't seen user stories.
Oh,
or
user stories you do use. In Scrum, you always use user stories. Product backlog, yes. Burn down chart, yes. The EVM is the other one I'm not sure about.
Okay.
Like, it sounds like you can. I don't know if it's common, though. You know, what do anyone have input? Because it sounds like it's kind of interchangeable with a burn down chart, so there's argument that you should only use one or the other. But I would.
I would say leave it.
Yeah, don't
Just
check
leave
it.
I'll post this link. Agile EVM is an adapted implementation of EVM that uses Scrum framework. Artifacts, input, uses traditional EVM calculations. Posting that now.
Okay. Which of the following are principles that drive the creation of the Agile Manifesto? That seems like the wrong verb tense. Oh, maybe not. Let me pull up the Agile Manifesto again. Alright. There's so many tabs up right now. Agile Manifesto. Alright, here are the 12 principles of Agile software. Let me read through them. So I'm going to read through them and you pay attention to if they're there. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Because this is R, so if I read them, you should check it off. Okay.
All right, wait. So I'll take number 1.
What?
I'll just
okay.
Everyone take one and listen for yours.
Alright. Our highest priority is to satisfy the customer through early, continuous delivery of valuable software. Welcome changing requirements. Even late in development, Agile process harnesses a change for the customer's development competitive advantage. Deliver working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months with a preference to the shorter time scale. Business people and developers must work together daily throughout the project. Build projects around motivated individuals, give them the environment and support they need, and trust them to get the job done. The most effective and efficient method of conveying information to and within a development team is face-to-face conversation. Working software is the primary measure of progress. Agile processes promote sustainable development. The sponsors, developers, and users should be able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Continuous attention to technical excellence and good design enhances agility. Simplicity, the art of maximizing the amount of work not done, is essential.
I think that should be all of them. Pretty sure I heard the last one in the
You
first
heard the
couple
last one?
sentences.
Okay.
I heard the first one.
Yep. And then I heard those.
They're all in there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, which the following meetings is part of Scrum methodology?
Sprint review. Oh no, maybe it's sprint planning. I don't remember what it's called. Give me a sec. Okay, sprint planning meeting is one. Sprint review is also one as well. You do that one at the end of the sprint. Sprint retrospective, yes.
I
What
don't
was
see
that? This one?
product review. Yeah, I don't see
Okay.
product review.
Mm-mm.
Nope, I would not say product review.
Yeah, when
Because you're kind of developing it throughout. And no, not concurrent engineering.
right. So
'Cause
that
that's like all together.
yeah.
Okay, so back to 6.
Yeah, I've got a couple articles up on that. Give me a second. Okay. Okay, non-expanding units of scope measure. Because it should be measured the same amount every week. That one I don't have a source for. That's just me using my brain. So you're welcome to say, no, that doesn't make sense. This is another one where I'm not sure, and I'm looking for a source, but it does not make sense to freeze a product backlog.
Yeah.
So that would be not one we would check. There it is. I guess Alistair Cochrane's like a big deal. Because it's on the website and everything. But then,
I know.
so does
I
Brandon, and
think
so do
he
I.
did the pig and the chicken method. Or at least on this website he talks about using it, so.
All right, so definitely the third one is don't click that one.
Okay. So we thought the
Because-
freezing wasn't one.
Because in his book he talks about system scope and boundaries.
I think fine granularity is not one we should click either, but that's, again, just based off my understanding of burn down charts, which is somewhat questionable.
Now I'm kind of taking my answer back on that one. Ooh.
I know, it's hard to find good information on this.
Oh, yeah. Do not shift the scope at all.
Mm-mm.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'm looking into the granularity one, but I'm having trouble backing up my theory.
You missed the scope.
Okay, so
I'm not finding anything.
I'm not either.
yeah, I guess submit it as is.
Okay. Do we want to go over or just submit?
I think the ones that we're sure about, and the rest of them we're not going to change. You know what I mean?
Nope.
Don't second guess yourself. Hey, wait.
Too late. Sorry, guys.
Oh, bummer.
Tell us what we got.
I hate
Nope.
no when you have to put
Okay.
names in, it doesn't do that.
Yeah, when I get the answers, I'll email everyone them.
You will?
Like, once he grades it, I'll let you guys all know what you got.
That'd be great since I didn't even think to do that last time, and Ruslan's like, "Can I challenge?" And I'm like, "Oh yeah, you probably need like all the questions and the answers and stuff."
Yeah.
I didn't even do it.
Have any of you challenged anything yet? I actually did write all my challenges to the first one, and then I read through the requirements, and I didn't answer. You have to do it for like each answer, why it is or isn't right, and I was like, that's too much work.
Oh, yeah, no, I've done them and
I
gotten some points back.
I did it for my first quiz. I got 15% back.
Yeah. So.
I got. Man, I was just like, I just can't wait to be done with this class because I think it's lame. Sorry, Professor. I know you think it's lame too, even though we're recording this. You probably won't even watch this part though, but if you do, then you can email me.
You know, I gotta be honest, this class is okay compared to, I'm taking databases 2 right now, and it's just slaying me.
Yeah, but that one you can actually apply.
No, you're right, it's totally applicable. It's just the labs, like, like they ask us to do things and they're like, here's some ideas, but just so you know, you can't actually do this. You're not allowed to use JavaScript. Good luck. And it's like, wait, what? I'm totally lost. I don't know if you felt that.
So I can just submit this quiz now, right? Scrum and the Agile methodologies, just press submit.
What are you talking about?
Okay, let me share my screen. Desktop 3. I can just submit this now, right?
Yeah.
Well, only one person does.
Yeah, only
Yeah.
one person has. He just wants it off his desktop, probably.
Yep.
Alright, guys. So our next meeting is next Tuesday, yeah?
Yep. Same
Yeah.
time?
We did it at 8, but normally we do 7:30. Can we
Oh,
do
yeah,
7?
7 or 7:30.
What time?
7:30.
Okay.
What works for you, Brandon?
That works for me.
Are you sure? You sound a little...
Well, I'll have to tell my other group. 8 works better for me, but if we can't do that, then I can do 7:30.
I can do 8.
8 works.
Alright.
Is 8 okay?
Can you do me a favor, though? Let's not make it a regular thing, because it's almost 10 o'clock where I am now.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Oh,
So
we can do 8 this week. Just if that works better, but maybe next week.
Wait,
Maybe.
are we meeting on Thursday or Tuesday?
We'll just do this Tuesday at 8, and that's fine.
Oh,
Okay.
this next Tuesday?
Yeah.
Yes. You're on
Oh,
the wrong day.
let me think. Do I have my CAT 3? What time do we do that? 360 is at... Don't we usually do it at... Oh, we do it at usually.
Usually we do
Oh,
7.
it's at 30. Okay, so my other group meeting, because I thought we were talking about Thursday, but I
No.
have a group meeting at 8.
Okay,
So
let's do that
7:30.
7:30.
Okay, my bad.
Alright.
I have to remember all these things.
I know. It's crazy in this degree. Like,
It's okay. I'll just give you more time.
And so looking at that thing, Summer, I'm going to get to the website as soon as I finish my servers and Java. Guys, don't ever take a class that's the second one when you haven't taken the first one. Just
you didn't
telling
take the first Java class?
No, and I'm in the second one and it sucks.
What were you thinking?
Well, so it transferred from BYU, but they did C++.
Right.
So they just said, oh, you're good with the Java 1 class. So now I'm on Java 2 class, and I don't know the prerequisites. I'm dying.
Oh, well, that's weird that they didn't teach you Java at BYU at all. Because when I started well, I don't know. Anyway, good luck. I thought that class was hard, but mostly because it was set up so crappily.
Yeah, it is. But it's okay.
Yeah.
So we'll plan a meeting on Tuesday.
7:30.
Brandon, I pushed a few things to the website. It's like things I sat down and did between doing kids, so it's not anything super great. And I have my subdomain set up, and I'm going to start adding files tonight so we can kind of see where we're at. And I'll send you the information for that when I get.
Oh, you already have a subdomain set up?
Yeah. Well,
Oh.
I literally just did it right before this meeting. Did you have one?
Well, no, if you do. Wait, so what is your subdomain?
medreview.littlechickadee.com or whatever. It might be .org. I don't remember.
Is it on somewhere?
Not yet. It is, but there's nothing on it yet. I haven't uploaded the files. But it occurs to me that I shouldn't have done that because then I have to do all the database work.
I can. Well, if you change your password to your main system, I could just do that, but that's up to you.
I'll think about it and get back to you in a few minutes. I'll just message you.
Okay. Or even better, I can just create the database, export it, and they'll just import it into your environment.
Oh, that's true. All right. Sorry, guys. I promise what we're saying is not as scary as it probably sounds.
It sounds like Chinese to me.
No, it is. It's pretty scary.
Yeah, it really is. Databases are terrifying to me. Okay, good night, guys.
Good night.
All right.
Thank
See
you.
you guys.